It's finally snowing outside. And hey folks, it's Monday. Hey folks, it's Monday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Sunday.
Not a lot of snow, so no school's canceled, but it's flurries, so it's enough to get excited about. So this week's theme is Amazon Review Week. Just read a wacky review that was on Amazon. I found one for the Bible that I think is hilarious, so I'm going to read to you guys. Here it goes. The Holy Bible tells the story of, well, everything. It begins with the creation of all that is and ends with Judgment Day, though it's pretty different from the one that was shown in Terminator 2. They split into two parts, the old one and the new one. This makes it easier to get through, sort of like Lord of the Rings or Harry Potter books. There's all sorts of numbers to help you keep track of where you are, so you don't have to worry about a bookmark. The main character in the story is God, who made Earth and stuff. He sets a bunch of rules that he wants people to follow. At first, all the angels do what he tells them, but one gets fed up and quits. He is punished to hell, that is a real place, not a cuss word, and turns into Stan, which is the really cool part. Next creates the first people, Adam and Eve, who have a catalog named after them now. Have you seen it? It's awesome. They live in a garden, and they're all happy and such until Eve screws up and they get evicted. Same kind of thing happened to my brother and his girlfriend. You also meet God's son Jesus, who comes from above and lives with human parents. He goes around helping people, which is cool. Come to think of it, whoever wrote the Bible should sue the guy who made the show Smallville. It's a total rip. Whatever. Anyhow, Jesus tries to be a teacher and shows the world how to be good, but then the bad guy shows up and pounds on him. If you want, you can see that in Mel Gibson's last movie, which is pretty brutal. I don't want to give away the ending, but in the book, Jesus comes back to life and saves the day. He rocks. There's a ton of great characters, like Job, who I like to know what his first name is. Noah, Lot, Lot's wife, Zeus, Hermaphrodite, and the four horsemen of Calypso. Overall, I'd say the Holy Bible is definitely worth reading. It's really long and it has some slow parts, but I liked it a lot better than Ethan Form. Cool trivia. The Holy Bible is the basis of Christianity, one of the world's most popular religions. And that's the end of the review. I hope you guys liked it. I'll put a link down below to the website that I found it on so you can actually read it. That's it for this week. Benjo, I will see you tomorrow.